Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to answer all the question of midterm lab number 1. First, from switch 2, disable the connection to the laptop. How? Just click switch 2, click command line interface, enter, just type enable config term, enter, type interface fast ethernet. Then after that, just point the mouse to the connection before, and the number is 9/1. Then back to switch to and type 9/1 space 9/1 and enter, and just type shutdown. Oh, sorry, shutdown. Oh, as you can see, the connection is already disconnected. Back to the switch to command line interface. Line protocol on interface was Ethernet 9/1. Change state to down. It's already down. It's already disconnected. So continue. Question number 2. From switch 3, disable the connection of PC number 4. Click switch 3, click command line interface, type enable, type config term, type interface fast ethernet, then point the mouse to the connection of switch number 3 to PC number 4. So the number is 8/1. Space 8/1. Then enter. Then type shutdown. Line proto /5/up down. Line protocol on interface fast ethernet 8/1. Change to down. So as you can see, the connection of switch number 3 to PC number 4 is already disconnected. So just continue. Question number 3. From switch 1, disable the connection from the DHCP server. Click switch 1, click command line interface, and then enter. Just type enable config term, then type interface fast ethernet, then point to the connection, it's 0/1, then continue. Just click do switch 1 and then space 0/1, then enter, and then just type shutdown. Learn protocol on the interface fast Ethernet 0/1, change state to down. So as you can see, the connection of switch 1 to DHCP server is already disconnected. Continue. Question number 4. Reestablish the connection from item 1, 2, and 3. So start to switch number 1 and then enter, and then type no shutdown, enter. Continue to switch number 2, enter no shutdown. Line protocol on interface fast Ethernet 9/1, change state to up. Wait to the yellow become green. Switch 3, no shutdown. Line protocol on interface fast Ethernet 8/1, change state to up. Then wait. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.